Hello, welcome to Jnana channel. Jnana channel is specially meant for academic purpose. We are concentrating on first PU, second PU, business studies and accountancy, and also become practical subjects. So those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Your support means a lot to me. So we'll move on to the first PU business studies. First chapter, nature and purpose of business. We already discussed with the what is the meaning of business and its feature. The class will be discussing classification of business activity. The business activities are divided into industry and commerce. In today's class, we'll be discussing only with the industry. So meaning of industry. Industry refers to conversion of resources into useful goods. So what is the work of an industry here? So industry, what they'll do means they'll convert the raw material into any useful product. So that is the meaning of industry. So the cotton textile, I've given an example. So the cotton, it's a raw material, and the raw material is converted into any textile, any material or any clothes. So that is the meaning of industry, where they are going to convert the natural resources into a useful thing. That is the meaning of industry. Next, industry, it is divided into, the first one is primary industry. So primary industry is again divided into extractive industry and genetic industry. Let us understand what is primary industry. Primary industry are nature oriented industry. So what they'll do, they'll produce the goods with the help of the nature itself. So completely it is a nature oriented industries where they extract and they produce the goods, or they reproduce the goods with the natural resources which are available in the nature itself. So it is again divided into, first one, extractive industry. So extractive, the name only says extractive means drawing out, or it what they do means they produce the goods by the nature itself. Say for example, I've given an example here, mining. So what is the main thing they're going to do? They're extracting. Extracting means taking out. So here they're digging the earth and taking out the resources from the earth. So it is like directly connected to the natural resources. So mining, where they're going to take the iron ore, gold from the beneath of the earth. Extractive means taking from the earth or taking from the natural resources. That is the meaning of extractive industry. So the example for it is mining. Next is genetic industry. So genetic industry means multiplication and reproduction of plants and animals. So what is the task of this genetic industry means? They are going to double, they are going to multiplying the number of the plants as well as animals. So for example, poultry farming, beekeeping, then fish hatchery, this and all is an example where what they'll do means, a nursery, what they are going to do means they are going to multiply, they are going to double the number of the plants and animals. That is the meaning of genetic industry, where this both are very closely, even plants and animals are the natural resources, and it is connected to towards the natural things only. So that is why primary industry means nature oriented industry. And now it is industries, again it is like, one is primary industries and the next it is secondary industry. Secondary industries are labor oriented industry. So labor oriented industry means whatever the product or whatever the resources you have got it in the natural or in a primary industry, now they are going to convert it into the finished product in the secondary industry. So now again secondary industry is divided into manufacturing industry. Your manufacturing industry means conversion of raw material into finished goods. You can see here a sugarcane is a raw material. It is like you can get it directly from the primary industry. So primary industry are nature oriented industry. Say for example, it is a sugarcane. So what is the work of a secondary industry? Whatever the raw material they've got it in the primary stage, they're going to convert it into the finished goods, that is sugar. And again, so for example, in the primary industry level, extraction, they extract the gold from the beneath of the earth and they're going to manufacture in the secondary industry stage. Hope now it is clear for you. So manufacturing industry further divided into analytical industry. Analytical industry means where one raw material into many products. Say for example, while making a many raw materials, say petroleum, from the petrol you will get the many from the crude oil, sorry, from the crude oil you will get petrol, diesel and kerosene. So one raw material which leads to a many product, that is the meaning of analytical industry. Next is synthetic industry, where many raw materials are combined, you'll get one product, that is known as synthetic industry. So synthetic industries example is cement. So to get one final product, you used to put many raw materials for it. Next is processing industry. So processing industry means to get one final product, the product or the goods has to passes to the several stages. Say for example, paper. As you all know that the paper is made from the tree. So to get a paper, whatever the tree or that product has to passes to the several stages to get one final product. That is the meaning of processing industry. Next is assembling industry. So assembling industry means different components are like they're manufactured in the different places. What this assembly industry will do, they will combine all the different components and they'll make it one complete product. If you take up computer, say for example, monitor will be produced in some particular place, keyboard, mouse, CPU, all the different components are will be like manufactured by the different people. Finally they will all assemble, they make it together to form a new product. That is the meaning of assembling industry. Next is construction industry. So construction industry here, it is the one is primary industry. Next is secondary industry. When the secondary industries are again classified into manufacturing industry, and the next is construction industry. So construction industry means mainly these are the industries which they are concentrating on the construction of dams, canals, etc. Next, it is the third one. It is divided industry. The third, it's like tertiary industry. So tertiary industry, they mainly concentrate on supporting activities. So whatever the goods which are produced in the secondary level, this goods are in a primary level, it is going to distribute, or it is going to distribute to the transportation, warehousing. All the supporting activities will be done by the tertiary industry. So this is about meaning of industry and its classification. In the next class, we'll be discussing with what is commerce and its classification. If you have any doubt, please comment, and hope you all understood the subject. Please support Jnana channel. Thank you all.